All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about quick and easy ways, guys, to adjust and mute the volume in your Tesla. So whether you're grooving to music or you just need a quick mute, guys, yeah, I got you covered. Okay, so let's jump in. I've actually added for you at the top left, an outline of the steps that you need to take. So the easiest way, guys, to actually adjust the volume is by using, the scroll wheel on the left side of your steering wheel. Okay, you want to roll it up to increase the volume and down to decrease it. Look, this works for music, navigation, even phone calls, guys, okay? And if you actually prefer using the touchscreen, then, just tap on the volume slider at the bottom of the display. Drag it, guys, drag it to the lower left, all right? Drag it to the lower uh, left and basically the volume to reduce it, and just drag it to the right to actually make it louder. So left to lower the volume, drag it right to make it louder. And if you want to mute the sound, guys, you want to simply you know, press down on the same left side scroll wheel. So one click and your Tesla goes silent. And this is basically, great for quick interruptions or when you actually need to focus on something else. And guys, if you want separate volumes for navigation or media, you can just go to controls, go to audio settings, and you can adjust specific sound settings. Okay. And that's it, guys. Now you're basically a pro, guys, at controlling your Tesla's sound levels, guys. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to hit that link in the description, guys. Find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you in the next